Connection with nature. Elra wasn't like the other girls. She could hear the wind whispering through the leaves as stories, the earth humming with ancient secrets, and the bird song as a symphony of joy. From the moment she was a child, Elra felt a deep connection to nature, a bond so profound it felt like magic. Her ordinary school, nestled amidst sprawling green fields, was a magical dream for Elra. The old oak by the playground was her confidant, the willow by the school pond her advisor. During recess, while others chased and loved, Elora would sit by the oak, eyes closed, listening. She had heard the tree's heartbeat, slow and steady, the crack of its branches as if sharing a silent joke. One sunny day, Elora overheard a conversation between the oak and a tiny fairy. The fairy was worried about the declining health of the school's flower beds. Elora heard it. The vibrant hues of the flowers brought joy to everyone, and she couldn't bear to see them fade. With newfound determination, Elora decided to help. She spent her evenings and weekends studying botany, learning about soil, sunlight, and the language of plants. She mixed magical potions from herbs. She gathered potions that would nourish the soil and encourage growth. Her classmates, initially amused by her green thumb, soon began to notice the transformation. Withering plants sprang to life, their colors more vibrant than ever. The school grounds became a heaven, a place of peace and beauty. Elora's magic, however, didn't stop there. She discovered she could communicate with animals too. The school's stray cat became her loyal companion, the birds her morning alarm. She learned their secrets, their fears, and their joys. Word of Elva's ability spread. Children from other schools came to witness the magic, teachers sought her advice on gardening, and the principal, a stern man, softened under the influence of the school's newfound beauty. Yet, amidst her acclaim, Elva remained grounded. She knew her magic was a gift, a responsibility. She continued to listen, to learn, and to care for the world around her. For Elora, school was more than classroom and exams. It was a magical journey of discovery, friendship, and the profound connection between humans and nature.